Hey, hello everyone. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to track scroll on your page and into GA4, that is Google Analytics 4. So, this is the agenda of the video, and you need a Google Tag Manager, Container, and Workspace, Google Analytics, and of course, Tagmate app. So, these are the step-by-step instructions, and I'm going to set up scroll tracking template from the Tagmate, then check in my Google Tag Manager in preview mode, and then I'll show you the in Google Analytics in real time. So let's start it. Okay. So I'm already logged in with my Tagmate app, and I connected my GTM account. Let me show you again. All right, and this is my GTM account I connected. So let me create one project, as I mentioned, with the creating project. Okay, so I do not have any projects, so let me click over here. So click on add new. Just give, let's say, for sake of this scroll tracking project, select the web, and there are so many tag manager account I have. Okay, so I'm selecting one of the tag manager account, and let's go with the Tagmate how to videos, and we just selecting workspace since I'm to send to my Google Analytics account. So this is the Google Analytics account, and I'm going, this is the admin part, and this is a data stream, and just copy this measurement ID and just paste over here, and that's it. So click on create button, don't forget it. Okay, and this is the project just created, and I'm going to select it. Okay, so everything is pop up over here, but it's a container and the workspace and the tag manager account and my platform with measurement ID. Okay, so now let's go for the scroll tracking of the particular website, and let's say uh, so click on add new and then on template, and go to the page engagement, and then there is a scroll tracking. Just click on the push to GTM. Okay, and let me open my website, that is a Tagmate demo site, and I configured my GTM into this website. Okay, so let's go. There are three options. So in this video I'm going to show you the fixed length website, because this is fixed length website with multiple hits. Okay, that's it. Just click on the push to GTM, and the process will start. Okay, so let's wait for, you know cre- the creation of the tags and triggers and variables related to scroll tracking. All right, so it's done, as you can see. So this is actually the fixed length website multiple hits, and then you can always export the data of the events from this. So this is a very good, you can say, record for you. Okay, so now let's check whether its tag has been created or not. So I'm just refreshing my container and the workspace. Yeah. And yeah, it's done. Okay, so as you can see, this is the event, the GA4 event tag has been, the custom event has been created, and the custom HTML for this, the scroll tracking has been created over here. So there is no requirement of doing a coding. Okay, now let's check it with the preview mode, and I started the preview mode. So as you can see, we have finished this. So I'm right now in the second step, and this is the preview mode, and this is my website. So let me connect it. Okay, all right, and there we go. So now My website is it's in Tega system mode, and this is actually the Tega system mode. Let me clear it out everything, and I'm just scrolling this page, scrolling the page step by step. So as you can see, there is a custom event started, and as you can see, this is, let's say this is a 10%. Okay, the event name is scroll tracking, and let's say on this part tag has been fired already, and this is a 25%, and let's say this is actually the 50%. As you can see, this is the 50% scrolling apps. This one, and as you can see, this is a 50%, right? And let me scroll again. All right, and this is 100%, right? So this is the final event, and let me check it. So this is 100%. Okay, and then scroll tracking, and as you can see, another one. As you can see, this is a 90%. Okay, now let me check with the Google Analytics. So this is the, the property setup over here and data stream setup over here, and go to the configure, configure, and just click on debug view, and so it's coming. All right. So as you can see, I click on scroll tracking. So as you can see, the engagement time, the event action and event label, it's 100%, and everything is coming up, right? Everything is coming up. This is the actually the Tagmate site, and yeah, so it's very simple. Okay, so within a few clicks, you can track your fixed length websites, multiple hits, scroll tracking in the 10%, 25%, 50%, and 100%, and so on. Yeah, bye bye.